Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponers. Today I want to bring to you this Kroger mini mega event going on right now. There are some really good deals on this mega event. It's mainly on beverages and snack foods and stuff. So these are things that you like. Definitely be sure to take advantage of it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you pictures of each item that is included, and if there is a corresponding coupon, you will see it right here on the picture. It'll tell you the insert that it came from or whatever and how you can get it. So if you haven't watched the other two Kroger videos that I posted a video all about some awesome Catalina deals, as well as I posted a video about the couponing deals. There's a lot of just really good deals with coupons, no special sales or anything. So if you click the little eye right up there in the right corner of the screen, you can click on those videos. Be sure to watch this one and then go watch those because there are a lot of really good deals at Kroger this week. So yeah, let's dive right into these deals.